guys, welcome back. This is episode 3 for Karina's wide body build. As you can see here, we've got our 4-point cage set up. This is version 2 for the A90 Supra. Also our Studio RSR rear brace for the Supra. So the guys are taking it apart right now. They got the seats out. The interior panels are coming out. So we'll show you a little bit of that process. Again, you know, all our roll cages are 1 3/4 inch all around, 100% bolt-in, fully compatible with the interior. Same for the rear brace. This is a nice piece that goes into the back, and 2 of these points actually are an extension of the cage itself, and the other 2 bolt to the factory chassis points. So, you know, at the end of the video, we'll show you some more technical features about that, and we'll also give you a discount code as a thank you for watching the video. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so some quick features that make our cage stand out a little bit from the other ones that are available. Actually, I don't even know if anyone else makes the A90 Supra roll cage yet, but if you look closely here, one of the things we really put some time into and invest cost is this piece here. So if you look, this is where the rear section and the front section connect. It's actually not wanting to come apart right now because it's only me, but typically, you know, these connectors are used on the off-road a lot in, you know, standard cage design as an upgraded feature. Some cages are flat, but if you look here, we actually have a tooth. But the difference with ours versus, you know, buying this connector and putting it on a cage is that we machine our own connectors, and the reason we do that is because if you buy this connector and then weld it onto a cage, you'd have an extra weld here to a hollow tube. So our connectors, we have specifically machined to length for the application. So this is actually a solid bar, or a solid tube, I guess. So instead of it being hollow on the inside, this is one solid piece to the main hoop, and it's directly to the connection. So the only weld that we have to do is this one for the rear section. Alright guys, so the cage is in, the rear brace is in. So right now I'm just making sure that all the seats are back in nice and tight. So again, like I was saying earlier, we have 2 versions of the cage right now. This is the version 2 for taller drivers, or if you want to use your stock seats with the cage. We recommend going with the version 2, and that's because, as you see, when you lean back right here, the clearance allows for the seat to actually go deeper on the face of the cage of the main hoop. On the version 1, we have the crossbar there for race seats, because race seats obviously don't recline. So with this, you're able to recline back and drive with the seat further back. So it's a nice, more streetable driving position. So I've got to make sure it's not rubbing, seat sliding without any tension. Yeah, we're good. So I'm gonna go road test it again just to make sure that there's no creaking or anything loose. But yeah, so please stay tuned. We'll have more on this car. Follow us on Instagram at Studio RSR, our website studiorsr.com, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys.